the second in our BNI Connect profile series. We're going to go over just a couple steps in how to get started filling out your BNI Connect profile. The first thing we do is go to bniconnectglobal.com, put your username and your password, and click sign in. Now, some of these steps can be done on the BNI Connect mobile app, but it is tremendously easier to do this on a laptop or desktop. Before we even go into the profile section, on the first page, you're going to notice a box, and if you have an image uploaded, you'll notice your picture next to it. That box by default will generally say, is working on. That's the default, which means if someone from BNI, and this is only visible to BNI members for any chapter, when they go to your profile, they'll see your picture and they'll see the words, is working on. It's kind of incomplete. So my suggestion is put in your own personal quote like I did here. You could put in the quote of somebody else that you like, or maybe put a tagline. You could even delete what's there now and just leave it blank. But anything I think is better than is working on. And be sure to click save afterwards. Now, let's go into our BNI Connect profile. We're going to click Update Profile, My BNI page. The first page that comes up will be your main profile. You'll see 5 icons here. This page is mostly filled out for you, but if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see a section that's marked My Business, and that's what we're going to talk about today. This section may by default have your business name in there. However, it's not for your business name. Your business name is going to show up in your profile already. This section is the first real opportunity you have to market yourself or your business. I think that's pretty important. However, what I've noticed in my visits to different chapters around the country is generally over half the chapter members don't have this filled out with anything but their business name. I believe it was Maya Angelou who said, when you know better, you do better. So here's my suggestion. Put something in this section that describes what you do or what your business does. Now, if you haven't done it before, the idea of having to come up with a short message advertising your business might be a little daunting for some. That's why in our next BNI education moment, I'm going to share with you a simple 3-step formula to create a concise statement describing your business in a compelling way. In marketing, it's often called a one-liner. When we're done, you'll be able to use that statement on your website, on your business card if you like, but definitely it's great for your BNI Connect profile. Directly underneath this section is the keyword section. This is a section where you would put any words or phrases that someone might put into, say, Google if they're searching for a business or organization like yours. Make sure you separate those with a comma. When you're done, be sure to click on Update. The next section we're going to talk about is the user profile. In this section, you upload your image and your company logo if you have one. It's really important to have your image there. It's a way for people to feel connected with you without you actually being there. The effectiveness of having an image has been proven, which is why we see it on social media. It's the same reason why many realtors would use their image on their business card. And listen, John Rivers, it's okay if you're ugly. Don't worry about it. Just go ahead and put your image there. It's better than not having anything at all. Well, that's it for today. As I mentioned, in our next session, we're going to go over how to create a compelling and concise statement that describes you or your business.